May Allah protect us. There was a man collecting funds for Palestine. So we found him to be fraudulent. May Allah protect us. And from this we learn something. My brothers and sisters, do not believe everything that you hear and see. Collection for this and collection for that. Make sure it is reputable and make sure you know who you are giving. I know of scams, even on Facebook and Twitter and elsewhere, where they will pretend to be someone they are not. Some people pretend to be myself as well. And they will say, we are collecting funds for Indonesia and we are collecting funds for here and there. And they will take qasam by Allah. So this man, we went to see him. And we told him, you know what, brother? Why are you doing this, collecting funds, saying you are collecting for Palestine? He says, Wallahi, I'm collecting for Palestine. Come to my house, I'll show you the proof. When we arrived at his house, on the gate, there was a sign. His address was there, and he says, welcome to Palestine. Welcome to Palestine. So he was collecting money for his own house. And he named his house Palestine. So when people were giving, they were giving to Palestine. But which Palestine, they don't know. Now that's a new one. When someone says we are collecting for Indonesia, ask them, which Indonesia? May Allah grant protection to our brothers and sisters across the globe who are struggling. May He use us to reach out to them. So the point I'm raising is sometimes we say, I want success. Which success? The call to success, you are going to the right. But you are supposed to go to the right, yet you are walking towards the left. Shaitan also has his address, and on his gate he has the word success. Do you know that? Which means he will promise you, and he will promise you big success, but he calls you in the wrong direction. So you need to know the source of your knowledge. You need to know the source of the success that you are yearning for. It is the house of your Maker. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us goodness.